Ethereum ETH, the world's second biggest cryptographic money, stands apart as one of the most far-reaching and charming blockchain stages accessible today. Past being seen simply as a crypto, Ethereum is exceptionally respected by crypto lovers for its significant inborn worth and capacity to furnish financial backers with novel procuring valuable open doors. In this Ethereum cost forecast, we will dig into what's to come possibilities of ETH and survey how high Ethereum will go in the forthcoming years. What is Ethereum ETH? Ethereum, the world's second biggest digital currency and biggest altcoin, goes past being a crypto token. It is prestigious for its hardy elements and inventive blockchain arrangements, drawing in interest even outside the crypto local area. As an open-source blockchain with shrewd agreement usefulness, Ethereum is broadly used in the field of DeFi. Ethereum isn't simply a digital currency. It likewise works as an organization kept up with by validators who procure ETH for their commitments. We project that Ethereum could arrive at above 20,000 by 2030, a chance upheld by elements like its exceptional model, expansive market methodology, versatility arrangements, and administration in decentralized applications. Vitalik Buterin presented Ethereum in a 2013 white paper, and in 2014, he and other prime supporters got subsidizing for the undertaking. They brought $18.3 million up in Bitcoin through an ICO where north of 60 million Ether was sold at a cost of $311. The Ethereum establishment formally sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015, with the model codenamed Boondocks. From that point forward, Ethereum has gone through a few organization refreshes. Ethereum's essential goal is to set up a good foundation for itself as a worldwide stage for dApps, empowering clients overall to make and execute programming that is versatile to control, margin time, and deceitful exercises. Ethereum 2.0, from POW to POS. Last year, Ethereum effectively carried out the Union, a hotly anticipated and exceptionally expected specialized change. Previously known as Ethereum 2.0, this change included changing from the energy-concentrated evidence of work POW agreement system to the more manageable verification of stake POS model. The objective was to address worries about the natural effect of digital currencies and work on the adaptability of the Ethereum organization. An agreement-based blockchain intends to take out the necessity for unified go-betweens to approve exchanges. Be that as it may, without certifiable decentralization, the inquiry emerges concerning whether Ethereum's different difficulties are advantageous. Ethereum is notable for blockage issues during occupied periods, bringing about deferred exchange handling and fluctuating gas charges. The consolidation has not tended to the calculation or burden of gas costs, which can turn out to be exorbitantly high during top hours, making more modest exchanges more expensive for buyers, with normal everyday gas charges coming to almost $200 in May 2022. Shanghai Shapella Update. The Shanghai hard fork denotes Ethereum's progress from POW to POS, permitting clients to unstake their ETH by means of EIP 48 and 95. Moreover, it acquaints upgrades with exchange effectiveness and diminished gas expenses for decentralized applications, including EIP 3 and 651, EIP 3 at 855, and EIP 3 860. Ethereum encountered a huge jump with the Capella overhaul, which lined up with the Shanghai redesign. Together, these progressions converged to make Shapella in the crypto local area. Beginning from April 12, this redesign empowered the arrival of around 18 million tokens worth $35 billion from marking contracts. Shockingly, rather than causing selling pressure and a potential cost decline, the update ignited a convention in Ether's cost. Since arriving at the ETH in November 2021, ETH cryptographic money has stamped monstrous unpredictability in its cost activity. Ethereum confronted enormous negative strain in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell beneath tail-in 2,500 by January 2022 end. In continuation, due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum fell further. In 2023, Ethereum's cost crossed the 2,000 mark after a huge delay. Toward the finish of 2023, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $20.89 and $24.27. Be that as it may, starting from the start of 2024, the ETH coin has denoted a huge recuperation and stirred things up around town mark. As of now, Ethereum is exchanging around $36K. How high will Ethereum go? In light of the new cost activity, Ethereum will go up and raise a ruckus around town mark toward the finish of 2030. The majority of the crypto specialists are bullish on the eventual fate of Ethereum, and ETH can go up in the forthcoming years. Financial backers were consistently stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, in this manner searching for preferred choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. In any case, when Bitcoin at last arrived at over the $50K mark, the whole market saw a huge cost rise. Alongside that, the continuous fortifying of the Ethereum organization and the group's obligation to creating imaginative elements, it is exceptionally plausible that both ETH and its financial backers will encounter supported development and thriving in the present and the years to come. Presently, we should investigate the drawn-out cost projections for Ethereum. In the year 2021, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of the new year. In any case, in 2022, there was a critical drop in the cost for every one of the resources. As per different digital currency specialists, Ethereum cost expectations demonstrate that the worth of the ETH token might actually diminish to $354,602 toward the finish of 2024. Alternately, we project that the ETH coin can possibly arrive at its most elevated level at $6,563 toward the finish of 2025, according to our Ether cost expectation. As per the drawn-out Ethereum estimate, ETH is a particularly extraordinary resource for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Presently, how about we investigate the Ethereum expectations for this and impending years? Ethereum Value Forecast 2024. As indicated by our Ethereum cost forecast, ETH is anticipated to cross the $5,000 mark. It is normal to arrive at the greatest degree of $5,597 with at least $3,320 and a normal of $4,208. Additionally, the new Denkan update, expected to support the ETH cost, combined with the forthcoming Bitcoin dividing 2024, could fuel further development in Ethereum's exchanging esteem. On the off chance that this vertical pattern proceeds, ETH might actually outperform its past all-time high of $4,891.70. Ether cost expectation for Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, taking into account ongoing cost patterns and Ethereum cost forecast, the normal cost of ETH is supposed to land around $3,705. The base and greatest cost gauges are $3,320 and $4,090 individually. April 2024, Ethereum forecast. In view of our ETH cost estimate for April 2024, we anticipate that Ethereum cost could go from at least $3,403 to a limit of $4,357, with a typical cost floating around $3,880. ETH coin value expectation for May 2024. In May 2024, Ethereum's ETH normal cost is anticipated to be around $4,107, with an expected reach between $3,541 least and $4,674 most extreme. Ethereum value expectations for June 2024. As indicated by our Ethereum estimate for June 2024, the cost of ETH is supposed to arrive at up to the greatest degree of $4,552 with a base cost of $3,609. The typical cost of ETH